Mahal mo ko? Mahal mo ko?
The Rico-Claudine team-up developed on screen, jumped into television and into real life.
Nung nag-uumpisa raw kay ni Claudine, hindi pa niya alam na mag-on kayo, pero alam mo na raw. Okay. Hindi ko lang klinaro siguro sa kanya na, will you be my girlfriend? Okay. Sinabi ko sa kanya na mahal na mahal na mahal ko siya. Sabi ni Claudine, baka pag-awayan niyo raw ito. Pero sinabi niyang, kumakanta ka raw? Kumakanta ka raw talaga? Just 1, 2 lines, Rico. Got to believe in magic and in the song, Mister. Claudine, papatayin talaga kita. Sige nga, 1, 2 lines. Something like this. Look at me, I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. Blah, blah.
Paano mo nagawa? Kinabi ng puso ko. Kinikilig, makita ka, laging nananabik.
Nagde-develop na yata ako sa'yo.
I think the important thing in a relationship, in a showbiz relationship, is that you don't bring the public into the relationship. You can bring them in as spectators, but not really into it as decision makers. Ultimately, the decision should lie between the two of you. And as far as problems regarding our personal relationship is concerned, we should filter that out. We should solve the problem ourselves.
I want to thank you for taking care of me and for respecting me and loving me.
Rico, what do you want to thank Claudine for?
To Claudine, I want to thank her for being that strong woman who would always back up a man. If it weren't for her, I wouldn't be where I am right now, because siya yung pader na sinasandalan ko.
Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.
Salamat. Bago na, siyempre, bati ka muna, Claudine. And Got to Believe was a huge box office hit. Once more, Rico proved that in whatever genre, romance, drama, or comedy, he was the most bankable young male actor of his generation.
Siya noon, sabi niya direct, parang nag-hiatus raw siya from showbiz for quite some time, and this is his comeback movie. And so, then siya, pag nagre-react yung tao, he would nudge me and gaganyan siya sa akin. Direct, okay, ganyan, they're reacting. We were embracing one another, and when I got to him, he looked at me for a long time, and then he embraced me, and he cried here, on my shoulder. He didn't want to let me go, and I'm smiling, and all he said was, he was crying, and he was saying that, thank you, Direk.
Fear ko is